Let's say that your document that you have created here is a disclosure that you need to have the borrower sign. Right now, our custom form is not going to work with our e-signature program, but we do have a way to add it to that system. Up in those top menu buttons again, we do have an eSign signature block. Make sure your document is highlighted and then you click on the e-signature block button. Your document will open and give you several drop downs at the top. The first one is so you can select the signature type, meaning full signature, or if you just want initials. Second drop down is who you want to sign. Do you want the borrower, the co-borrower, or the loan originator? And you can put multiple on a single document. I'm going to select the borrower, and then the button off to the right is the actual button that will create that signature line. I recommend going to the part of the document that you want the signature to appear first before clicking on the icon to produce the signature line. And then you can move this box around and resize if necessary. I'm going to go back up to the top and change to a co-borrower so that if I did have a co-borrower on a file, I'd also have the ability to have them sign. Move it into a spot. Now I've got a borrower and co-borrower signature lines. Go in the top right and use the save icon and then the orange X to close out. Now your document is able to be used inside of eSignature endpoint. Last thing we've got to cover is adding your custom form into a print group to make sure it goes out with your packages. I'm going to go to the loan section in our navigation panel. That's the top left. And to work on print groups, you just need to have a file open. It can be a blank one or a file you're currently working on. I'm going to go with a blank file. And then go to your printer icon that's in the top left, or you can go up to File and Print. You now have these tabs that are on the left with the borrower's forms. The topmost tab of that is our print groups. I'm going to select our print group here. And on the bottom now, we have 3 new buttons: Create a Group, Edit, or Delete. If you already have a print group set up, you can highlight that and click Edit. Or if you need to just create a new one, you can click on the Create New Group. This will allow you to put this document into a group. I'm going to call this one my prequal. To get the custom form into your print group, you will need to, on the left, select your Custom Forms tab and then locate it inside of the list below. Once you've highlighted it, it will populate over on the right, and then you can move those up or down in an order if you choose to do that. And then click OK. You should now see your print group listed there.